Good morning, everybody. It's car show day. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, and it is the El Segundo Main Street Car Show. So, if you come into LA ever, you always fly into LAX. It is just down the road from that, actually, in the beautiful city of Downtown El Segundo. It's got some cool buildings, and it's a great event, and it's blocks and blocks and blocks long, and it's you'll just have to see. You'll just have to see as we go check it out. Let's go check out some cars. Back from the El Segundo, Downtown El Segundo car show. El Segundo on Main. Holy mackerel, what a turnout. A whole lot of people. It started off a little cloudy in the morning, little marine layer action going on, but by the time I was leaving, kind of just crazy the amount of cars and people, and there's beautiful blue skies, and yeah, great day. Great day in El Segundo. So, yeah. And look for tomorrow, because there's lots of videos coming out this week. There'll be Wheels and Waves tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday. Of course, this is already passed by the time you're seeing that. But tomorrow, third Sunday of every month, is Wheels and Waves. Of course, you'll see another video. That means tomorrow from Wheels and Waves. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video. And we will see you at the next show.